Typhoon Kalmaegi, the deadliest storm to hit Asia this year, has carved a path of destruction through the central Philippines and is now gathering strength as it barrels towards Vietnam. The storm has left at least 114 people dead, with many more still missing. In the Philippines, entire neighborhoods have been reduced to rubble, forcing tens of thousands of people from their homes. The tourist hotspot of Cebu province was among the hardest hit areas. Drone footage from the region shows catastrophic flooding that turned streets into raging rivers, submerging homes and tossing cars aside like toys. In Talisay City, rows of homes were completely flattened, while communities along the Monongah River were buried in thick mud and debris. The devastation took many by surprise. Typhoon Kalmaegi, known locally as Tino, was a slow-moving system. It dumped more than a month's worth of rain in just 24 hours in some areas. Officials report that most of the victims died from drowning in sudden flash floods as rivers swelled far beyond their danger levels. The rugged terrain in Cebu funneled the massive amounts of water directly into populated communities. The storm's impact was worsened by clogged waterways in an already flood-prone area. Philippines President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. has declared a state of national calamity. But the threat from Kalmaegi is far from over. After crossing the Philippines, the typhoon has intensified over the warm waters of the South China Sea. It is now the equivalent of a Category 4 hurricane, packing powerful winds of 215 kilometers per hour. The storm is expected to make landfall in central Vietnam, an area still reeling from disastrous flash floods and landslides from weeks of record rainfall. Vietnamese authorities are preparing for the impact, with around 350,000 people expected to be evacuated in Gia province alone. The historic town of Hoi An, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, was recently submerged by floods that killed at least 13 people. And there is more concern on the horizon. Another tropical storm, named Feng Wang, is expected to intensify this weekend, threatening more flooding for the northern parts of the Philippines. Scientists warn that the climate crisis is supercharging these weather events. Hotter oceans provide more energy for storms to strengthen, while warmer air holds more moisture, leading to more extreme rainfall. The latest news you find here.